Welcome to AutoCAD channel. Today I gonna show you how to calculate area. So let's begin. To calculate area, first we have to set up the unit. Here my unit is in meter, so that my area will be shown in the meter square. Now command upload. Select the AutoLisp and click on load. Here my LISP is successfully loaded. Then click close. Now command A2F and click on the boundary of your plot. Then press enter. Then click on the window. Now my text height is so low, so that I have to extend it. To extend it, I select my text, and in the height option I give 1. So my text has extended. Now see that here my text is in the object. To remove this object, command X, enter, which means explode. Click on the object and press enter. So the object has been removed. Similar that, if you wanted to calculate the area of many plot, again command A2F and select your all area which you wanted to calculate. Press enter, then click on here. Now you can see that my area has been calculated. So I have to remove the object. So I command X, select on the text and press enter again. So in this method we can calculate the area. So thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel.